Hey guys, welcome to another video. Look who's here. My mom's here. She came last night and with my little brother and his friend Andrew. So she just went shopping and got a ton of food, which is so good, and a drying rack. Oh, it's not in there anymore, but that'll be so nice because we don't have a drying rack. So we've been hanging our stuff all over the place in the apartment, so it kind of looks like a disaster even when it's not. So that'll be nice. Long. Here's Andrew. This is Elliot's friend. My little brother's friend. Yeah, that's Elliot. Yeah, that. I don't even know what I'm saying. So we're going down to the store to get Red Bull because all we have is healthy stuff that tastes gross. I have coconut water. I love coconut. So many people hate coconut though, which is really funny. But yeah, and then I have no idea what we're doing. Hopefully we'll do something fun today because it's like a beautiful day. But that's every day here, so you know. Lots of goods. I missed the way. Ooh, nice paint job, bruh. Okay, so home now, and Sadie's making me dinner. She's cutting up. Oh my god, the acid is in the goggles. Oh my gosh, she's making stuffed peppers. Whew. Okay guys, it is the next day, Tuesday, and I am almost to the Sunrise Shack for my morning shift, and then I think we're gonna go on a hike, so yeah. Well, apparently I was looking up about this hike, and they filmed Jurassic Park here and Lost, the TV show. So yeah, pretty sick. Look guys, we made it. That's the trail we came up over there.
Okay, well that's gonna
pretty
be
dope.
now that there's people.
He's putting in her nose ring.
Hi. Why do you always vlog me doing gross stuff, like putting in my nose ring or eating?
I just thought of vlogging, and you happened to be doing that. She just got home from work. Our hike was nice. You saw it. Now we're gonna go to the beach and go for a run, right?
We are?
And have dinner.
Okay, I'm cool with that.
Hey guys, it is the next day. It is Wednesday, and today I did the morning shift at the Sunrise Shack, so I had to wake up at 4:30 to take my medicine for my Lyme disease and stuff, and then I worked till 12:30, and I just had a little nap, and I've just been chilling. So I think I'm gonna head to the beach now and get some tanning done, and probably just like float in the water, honestly, because I'm pretty tired. But yeah, I've arrived. I think it's called the Army Museum. It is so hot. Wow. Whew, we're gonna go to the beach after, actually. And yeah, tomorrow we're going to the North Shore, so it's gonna be amazing. We're gonna swim with turtles and jump off a cliff and you know, all that fun stuff. We are at the museum, and look at this. Well, it used to be an army base. It's pretty sick. Hey guys, so I just got home from the beach because I am heading to Bible study. So I got a peace out. I'm gonna longboard there, and I'm meeting Sadie there from work. It's our first time going. We met these super sick people at church, and they invited us, so. Here's Sadie eating dinner. I didn't crash longboarding, and we're here waiting for Bible study to start. I think it's starting soon, so I should probably turn this off because that'd be really weird if I was vlogging when they get here. Can you imagine if I was like vlogging when they get here? That'd be really awkward. Like, I don't mind vlogging in front of people, but they'd just be like, what?
They wouldn't know what you were doing.
Okay. I'll let you know how it goes. Look, that's where I work. I work there. Well, I don't work there. I work at the other one. Good morning.
Good morning.
It is Thursday, and I have today off. Sadie has to work, but we're going down to the Sunrise Shack because she wants to get a smoothie. And I'm going to the North Shore Shack today, which I'm really excited about because I haven't been there. And that's like the first one that started. It's this, I don't know if I ever explained it. It's like this coffee and smoothie shop, and they also make food. And it's like all organic and local ingredients. And it started by these 3 brothers that are professional surfers in Hawaii. And it started on the North Shore, which is like out of the city. So that's where I'm going today. And the one I work at is in the city. So yeah, it's good. It's really good. It's like, oh my gosh, like you should just fly to Hawaii just to have this smoothie. It's like, I've grown up eating organic and smoothies, and these are the best smoothies ever, so. Okay, so me and Sadie got breakfast. Well, she got breakfast, and now we're on the North Shore. We are heading to Mauna Kea Beach, I think is how you say it, maybe, to go snorkeling with turtles, and then we're gonna go to, I forget the name of it, to jump off a rock. And then we're going to the North Shore Sunrise Shack. It's a turtle!
Wait, yo.
Oh my gosh. Is it cool? Okay, so I'm gonna go out and then I'll bring it in and I'll help you, okay? So you gotta just swim on the surface, ready? Time snorkeling.
Second time.
Yeah, but you were only doing it in the pool. I thought you would actually snorkel. So just stay on your stomach and swim. Andrew, you're going underwater. You have to stay right on the surface.
I really am.
Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Good job. You get it now?
Yeah.
Okay, sick. So now we are at Waimea Bay, and we're gonna jump off the rock. Well, at least they are. I don't know if I will. It kind of depends on the tide because I'm 6 feet tall. And the other day, one of the guys that was 6 feet hit the bottom. He was fine, but I just don't want to risk it. But yeah, we had fun snorkeling. We saw some fish, but we couldn't go like where a ton of the sea turtles were because there was like something in the, like some kind of runoff or something in the water and you can get sick. And we don't want to get sick, so. You ready to jump off a rock?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that was awesome, and now we are heading to the Sunrise Shack on the North Shore. I'm so excited because I have like seen this place since it opened, pretty much like photos and stuff, but I've never been. So it's gonna be good. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna wait because there's cars. Hello, dude. How you doing? Waiting to get on the bus? Hi guys, so I'm super tired. I want to go to sleep. We had a good day, yeah? We're all dead now. And both of them are sunburnt, but I don't think I am because I've burnt myself enough already, so we're going into a tunnel, so it's gonna get dark. But so now I'm gonna just go home and hopefully have a nap. Guys, so it's the next day. It's Friday. Sadie's working. My mom and Elliot and Andrew are doing a tour that I actually already did around the whole island. So actually, I think it was in one of my vlogs. I think I put some parts in it. But so today I just cleaned, went to the beach, swam. Now I'm gonna have some lunch. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to see more of my videos and like this video. And yeah, I don't really have much else to say. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I love you so much.